Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to clear downloads on YouTube Kids. If you've downloaded a video on YouTube Kids and want to free up space or remove them, follow these easy steps. First, open up your YouTube Kids application on your device and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Enter your parental custom passcode or solve a simple math problem when prompted. Right after you do that, you'll open up the settings menu where you need to tap downloads. Now, go to delete downloads button at the bottom and then click on the delete button again in the pop-up, and all the videos that you've downloaded on your kids profile will be deleted. After you do that, all the videos that has been downloaded for offline viewing will be removed. Once cleared, you'll need to re-download videos to watch them offline again. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube Kids tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.